Well, this week we're featuring the Breaking of Dawn, these two sets. This is the Breaking of Dawn,
That's beautiful.
and this is the Breaking of Day, Grace.
The
So-
bell sleeves.
So these sets include the three pieces for $133. So that's the apron,
Wow.
the shirt, and the palazzos.
Okay.
So as you can see, we love our aprons because the aprons represent a symbol of service.
Okay.
So anybody who joins a ministry, they understand that the purpose of ministry is to be a good servant,
Okay.
right? So God gave us this idea that as we enter into ministry, the representation of who we are is His glorious servants.
Okay.
So that's what those are
And what
probably.
did you say this one? This one is
This
called.
is the Breaking of Day.
Breaking of
Color
Day.
is dawn.
Okay.
Here is also its sister, dusk and
Okay.
dawn. So that's the Breaking of Day 1 and 2. And then the sequel is the Breaking of Day Grace
Beautiful.
and Mercy.
Okay.
So like I said, but this week we're featuring these two because they're in overstock.
Okay. That was like gorgeous.
So it's a really great deal. Usually these sets run $168 and $188 for plus size. Both sizes are available right now for a limited time for $133.
That's a great price. That'll be good for the conference. This innovative conference coming
The
up.
Innovative Conference,
Oh,
which I'm so
yes.
excited about.
Woo.
So yeah, it's coming up in September, Atlanta area. I hope we can bring out a whole lot of people. So yes, with me, Glorious Apparel, we will be there so we can adorn and arm the saints to bring out some wonderful worship.
That
So
would be a blessing.
gonna have some awesome teaching from Jocelyn.
Amen.
From Augusta, Georgia, Jocelyn
Yes.
Richards. So I'm excited.
Me
and
too.
We're hoping to bring some well worth of worship to this area.